Hi, I'm Lester Wong, an aerospace student from University Science Malaysia. In this video, I will be talking about flight path management. It contains of forecasting, analysis, and also conclusion. Before an airline decides to open up a new destination, there is forecasting need to be done. For this project, I will be the CEO of the ESA company. I would love to open up a new destination. After the several forecast process, I have decided to open up a new route between Kuala Lumpur and Frankfurt, Germany. Let's talk about why I choose Germany. Germany is one of the many countries that wish to be explored by many people around the world due to its tourism spots such as Berlin Brandenburg Gate, Cologne Cathedral, the Black Forest, and more. The architecture of the building are worth to be explored by many. In terms of academic, Germany are popular with the engineering subjects due to the available high technologies at their respective universities such as University of Munich, Heidelberg University, and more. Thus, many Malaysian students study at Germany wish to travel back to Malaysia more often with a cheaper air ticket as AHX is one of the budget airlines. Besides that, in terms of industry advancement, Germany has high technology advancement that attracts many companies from around the world, especially Malaysia, that needs the technology to improve on every aspect to lead to a better country. Malaysia instead is one of the tourism spots by many people in terms of entertainment, culture, nature, and adventure. Malaysia are diversified in terms of races that leads to the main attraction for all due to its culture. Nature on the other hand, such as rosacea and orang-utan that represent the identity of Malaysia. Adventures such as diving and many beautiful islands is very popular in Malaysia. So, those attractions from Malaysia and Germany can increase the travelling from both sides, Europeans and also the Southeast Asia. This is a mutual market that will benefit the company in terms of profit and also the image of the country. Next is on the analysis from the company AirAsia X. As you can see from the table, it shows both of the details for Frankfurt Main International Airport and Kuala Lumpur International Airport. The aircraft type that we are going to use is A330-300, and the specification we can obtain by clicking into the link stated below. The specifications shown on the top right are few important details to be used in the analysis later on. Note that AirAsia X do have the A330-300 aircraft. For the flight between Kuala Lumpur and Frankfurt, there will be a total 3 pilots operating the aircraft, whereas there will be 8 cabin crew operating the service line, and the expected passenger will be 270 pax with 32 business class and 238 economy class. Next is on the schedule for 1 week. As you can see from the table, there will be a total of 10 flights in a week. Please note that if there is a star symbol on the arrival time, it represents that the aircraft will arrive on the next day. The turnaround times at Frankfurt are scheduled for between 80 and 90 minutes. After confirming the route, we proceed to flight corridor suggestion that involve the flight path with the consideration of high-risk airspace. From this map, you can see that between Kuala Lumpur and Frankfurt, we will pass through India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, and Ukraine. This path is provided by the website named Great Circle Mapper. But according to the safe airspace, there are few countries are not safe to be flown through. First is the Pakistan due to the war in northwest Pakistan and the concentration of the terrorist group representation in the country. Second is the Afghanistan due to the ongoing war in Afghanistan, which since NATO's withdrawal in December 2014. Third is the Ukraine. Due to the armed fire, multiple aircraft including MH17 have been shot down since the beginning of the Donbass region war in 2014, and also the multiple ceasefire occurring in July 2017. Thus, due to the risk, we changed the flight path to a new, safer path. We will be passing through India, Iran, Turkey, Romania, and Austria. All these countries are safe to be flown through, except Iran. But We are safe because the operator warned that Iran and United States do not maintain consular relations, which means that flying through Iran is safe for us as it does not involve any flight from or to United States for the current new route. On the top right of the video, you will see the list of letters. These are the codes for airport, ATC and regional airspace. Airport code has 4 letters, ATC has 3 letters, and regional airspace has 5 letters. Next, move on to the cost analysis. The things to be considered in the cost analysis are aircraft specification, flight detail, fuel consumption, KLIA airport charges, Frankfurt airport charges, crew salary, and average airfare. Next, we gather all the information beforehand and calculate using Excel. I will explain one by one, so please focus on the red box appear later. First is the aircraft specification. As you can see, the maximum takeoff weight is 242 tons. The price of the aircraft is 1.036 thousand millions. Second is the flight details, where the distance is 10,003 km with 270 passengers, 11.59 flight hours and 40 trips per month. Third is the fuel consumption. The average fuel consumption is 0.033 liter per seat kilometer that gives you the 7.71 average fuel price. After the calculation, the total fuel price is Rm 687,508. Fourth is the KLIA airport charges. As you can see from the table, the charges include landing, parking, refueling, and extras such as cleaning, security charges, and so on. They add up to Rm 10,791. Next is the Frankfurt airport charges that consists of passenger charge, security charge, landing and takeoff charge, parking charge, passive noise charge, and central BND infrastructure charge. That give a total of Rm 101,465. Next is the crew salary. According to the Code of Federal Regulation and ESA, there will be 3 pilots and 8 cabin crew needed. That gives the total salary for a round trip is Rm 1,560 and Rm 1,626 respectively. The average airfare will give Rm 3,000 for business class with premium flat bed and 1,500 for economy class per head. After the calculation, the total cost for the round trip is Rm 802,951. This gives a net profit of Rm 349,951. This company needs 6.16 years to earn back the profit. In conclusion, the company needs 6.61 years to compensate with all the expenditure. I know that 6.61 years is long, but as a CEO, I will need to consider for future. After 6.61 years, my company can earn 349,951 ringgit Malaysia every round trip. These are the list of the references that I used for my project.
Hi guys, coming to an end of this project, I would like to say thank you to Dr. Shukor and my fellow classmates for all the helps throughout this project. If there is any mistake, please do let me know and I will improve from there. Peace!